Corning has just announced the launch of Gorilla Glass 6, emphasizing that it is more durable than previous models. The company says the glass will survive up to 15 drops from a height of 1 meter and can be up to twice as good as Gorilla Glass 5. The Gorilla Glass 6 improves Gorilla Glass 5 by surviving falls from higher altitudes, but, which is more important, has been designed to survive in multiple falls. As the phones become thinner and have increasingly stylized glass screens, reports have emerged that thinness can cancel improvements in the new versions of Gorilla Glass, since the thinner glass is weaker, even if become more resistant. Still, Corning argues that sleek edge-to-edge screens have actually led to stronger smartphones. Sometimes, in smartphones from previous years, the bezel will crack first, and then lead to a weakness in the glass. There is also a trade-off between drop resistance and scratch resistance, which Corning admitted in the past. Corning says Gorilla Glass 6 will have the same scratch resistance as previous generations. Therefore, although the company claims that the new generation of Gorilla Glass is better, you should not expect that new phones made with glass will be more resistant to scratches.